Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Open the Photos app and tap Albums to find Recently Deleted. The Recently Deleted album stores removed photos for 30 days. Tap Select and choose the images you want to recover. Tap Recover and confirm to return items to your main library. Make sure you are signed in with the same Apple ID used to back up the device. Also verify you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection. Remember that iCloud provides 5 GB. If photos are not in Recently Deleted, restore the device from an iCloud backup. First, back up any current data you want to keep to avoid loss. Then go to Settings, tap General, select Transfer or Reset, and choose Erase all content and settings. After the device restarts, choose Restore from iCloud Backup and sign in with your Apple ID. Pick the backup dated before the photos were deleted and wait for the download to complete over Wi-Fi. You can also sign in to iCloud.com from a computer to recover photos directly. Open Photos, check the recently deleted album, and select Recover to download items to your computer. If photos are missing from backups and recently deleted, contact Apple support for help with account issues. Avoid unverified third-party recovery tools. They often charge fees and risk data privacy. If you need more iCloud storage, upgrade to a plan that fits your photo library size before restoring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.